Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is a breaking news, really unprecedented and unprecedented. Trump bulldozed reality and erased a mirror pathology at the national level. Any accounting of how polarized his country will remain after US President Donald Trump exits office begins with his outsized contribution to various societal delusions. Indeed, throughout his term, psychiatrists have questioned his mental health. Diagnoses have included emotional fragility, malignant narcissism, sociopathic characteristics, and a personal reality that's a patchwork of knowing falsehoods and sincerely believed fantasies. Further, World Mental Health or Further, World Mental Health Coalition President Bandy Zili points out when such wounded individuals are given positions of power, they arouse similar pathology in the population, including delusions at the national level. The treatment, she says, is removal of exposure. Exacting socioeconomic conditions have facilitated this severe psychosis. To take just a couple of big examples, beginning February last year, Trump has unbendingly stuck to the line that COVID will simply go away, and beginning November, he has continuously claimed election victory. Such, while falsehoods put him in a league of his own, especially if he believes them too. As Mitt Romney has said, what happened in the US Capitol on January 6 was horrifyingly an insurrection incited by the President of the United States himself. His exit will in itself being a degree of healing, but many of the 73 million who voted for him will remain vulnerable to shadow presidency or a 2024 candidacy. As Lee argues, the goal is to change the circumstances that lead to their faulty beliefs. The social media cancellation, which have already diluted his influence on the news cycle, indicate that muting his delusional narratives to grab back reality is certainly possible, but either through a Senate impeachment, conviction during his presidency, or criminal prosecution afterward, he must be held to account to protect truth. Begin there. Beyond the report for Shakti USA.